composed of two oxygen atoms each covalently double bonded to a single carbon atom. It is a gas at standard temperature and pressure and exists in Earth's atmosphere in this state, as a trace gas at a concentration of 0.039% by volume. As part of the carbon cycle, plants, algae, and cyanobacteria use light energy to photosynthesize carbohydrate from carbon dioxide and water, with oxygen produced as a waste product. However, photosynthesis cannot occur in darkness, and at night some carbon dioxide is produced by plants during respiration. Carbon dioxide is produced by combustion of coal or hydrocarbons, the fermentation of sugars in beer and wine making, and by respiration of all living organisms. It is exhaled in the breath of humans and other land animals. It is emitted from volcanoes, hot springs, geysers and other places where the Earth's crust is thin and is freed from carbonate rocks by dissolution. CO2 is also found in lakes, at depth under the sea, and commingled with oil and gas deposits. The environmental effects of carbon dioxide are of significant interest. Atmospheric carbon dioxide is the primary source of carbon in life on Earth, and its concentration in Earth's pre-industrial atmosphere since late in the Precambrian was regulated by photosynthetic organisms. Carbon dioxide is an important greenhouse gas. Burning of carbon-based fuels since the Industrial Revolution has rapidly increased the concentration, leading to global warming. It is also a major source of ocean acidification since it dissolves in water to form carbonic acid, which is a weak acid as its ionization in water is incomplete. Co2 plus H2OH 2 Co3. History. Carbon dioxide was one of the first gases to be described as a substance distinct from air. In the 17th century, the Flemish chemist Jan Baptist van Helmont observed that when he burned charcoal in a closed vessel, the mass of the resulting ash was much less than that of the original charcoal. His interpretation was that the rest of the charcoal had been transmuted into an invisible substance he termed a gas or wild spirit. The properties of carbon dioxide were studied more thoroughly in the 1750s by the Scottish physician Joseph Black. He found that limestone could be heated or treated with acids to yield a gas he called fixed air. He observed that the fixed air was denser than air and supported neither flame nor animal life. Black also found that when bubbled through an aqueous solution of lime, it would precipitate calcium carbonate. He used this phenomenon to illustrate that carbon dioxide is produced by animal respiration and microbial fermentation.